Hello everybody, thanks again for joining my channel. I hope you like this video. I want to talk today about using if statement, or rather nested if statements. So what you may know already is how to use it from the data transform part, and I'll kind of show you really quickly here. Oh, sorry, pulled up on the other screen. Give me 1 second, right here. So from this screen, you can just go to transform. Let me make this a little smaller here. You can go to transform. Sorry, add a column. Then you can create a conditional column, right? And you can just enter your outputs here. But what if you don't? What if you don't have a table? Let's say you did a calculated table, right? You're not going to show here, and it will not work from this screen. So I'm going to show you how to do it from just the data outside of the query editor. I'm going to close this. Not now. Do not make any changes. All right. So I kind of want to show you what I want to do here. So this data is about different sites around the United States you can go and visit. So we have things like Virginia Island, um, Grand Canyon, amongst other beautiful places in the United States. And on this column, you see here it says recreation visits. So these are counts or a number of visits in 2019. But now, what if you wanted to do an if statement to show greater than, say, a certain number? So I kind of chose this 102,226 as the middle, so that way I can show you guys how to create like a calculated field using if statement. So what I really want to do is, if the numbers or the visits is less than this specific number, 102,0226, then I want to show less. If it's equal, then I want to show equal in the column. Then if it's greater, I want it to say greater in the column. So here goes nothing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new column. It'll be calculated column. All right. And I'm going to call it column data since we're under this data tab. So I'm going to just call it column data. All right. I don't know. I just chose a weird name for it. So now I'm going to write an if statement, and I'm going to kind of just show you how the if statement works, right? So if um, I guess logical test. So if logical, let's say test, right? Then then else, right? So if this part, so logical test, I know it's showing that way, but if this part is true, then I want you to show this result, else show this result, all right? But now in this else part, we're going to add another if statement like so. So that way it adds, I guess, a third parameter, right? So if, I'm going to do another if statement, if, and then the same thing, okay? Test, then, and else. Okay, so this if here acts as else if, all right? So we're going to go ahead and replace these one at a time. So logical test value is this national park, right? And recreation visits. So if recreation visits is equal, well, sorry, is less than, rather, is less than, that number was 1020226, right? Then I want this to be less, right? Else, now else if, again, do the same parameter, national recreation park, but else if national recreation park is equal to 1020226, then I would like to say equal, right? And then the last parameter, else, so everything else will be greater. Hopefully that kind of made sense to you. Just leave a comment at the bottom if you need more explanation, or I guess I can redo the video or whatever. But I believe this is straightforward. So now if I just hit this, it's going to show it, right? So everything from here all the way down to this number is equal, and everything after that will show greater. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. It's just another way to use if statement, and the second if, it's more of an else if to get I guess to get more parameters. So it's kind of like a nested if statement. So leave a comment, like, subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.